The wheels go round and round for a much-needed upgrade at Memorial Elementary's school parking lot.
It's going to help out, definitely. Having a smoother surface, I mean, less chance of anybody falling or getting hurt. I think it's great.
The Southside parking lot is where students are dropped off before school and picked up after the final bell rings. Through the years of wear and tear, the area has become a challenge for drivers coming in and out of the school. The district hopes this project will alleviate those problems.
This project right here is very important because of the community, because of the parents, because of the drop-off and the parking area, and the traffic and the congestion that develops here.
Even some of the kids say, oh my gosh, the potholes in the parking lot are crazy big, and yeah, God forbid somebody fall down, so this is a blessing.
This is collaboration work between Weslaco ISD and the City of Weslaco. Projects such as at Memorial Elementary were originally scheduled over the summer, but due to the torrential rainfall suffered last June, plans were delayed.
That backed them up with the work that they had as far as paving streets and parking lots and so forth that they needed to do. And so they were able to fit us in their schedule, this week.
Just before the start of the school year, CTE Early College and Weslaco High School had pavement improvements to their campus. And now, both are back on track to continue the plans for pavement improvements.
Big help from the city. We certainly want to thank them for assisting us with this because in the end it's for the community.
Over the holiday break, work at Memorial Elementary will conclude with pavement work to the teachers' parking lot. Other campuses, like Airport Elementary, are in line for work in the near future.
That's another parking lot that's on the list. We've got also Margot, who's on the list. We've got B. Garza that's also coming up. Again, it's a continuous rotation of having to make sure that we provide repairs to the parking lots because of the weather.
This is all to ensure our students can have the most comfortable environment and less bumpy ride at Weslaco ISD.
What a great Christmas present for Memorial.
For KWES TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.